guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Bye!
And today's videos guys is we're going now to the Buntod. This is an overlooking area.
Buntod! Welcome to Buntod! Buntod entrance fee. Entrance fee, 50 pesos per head. Okay. May time limit ba manong? Wala? Unlimited time.
Pwede na kahit isa lang.
So from the lower ground, we are going to walk up to on the top of this mountain. So we have just to walk slowly and breathe normally.
Okay, Buntod. Buntod jud eh.
And so this is now guys the top of this mountain, the Buntod. So you can stay here much better early in the morning or in the afternoon. So on this area guys, you can feel a relaxing moment while on this area. And I think you can bring your own tent for family bonding while on this area. And you can take photos and videos. And this is the bonfire during night time. And this is, we have also a toilet and the restaurant on this mountain. We have a nice photo shoot on this building. The swing. And this is the inside of this restaurant. Periodic photo shoot. And also we have an accommodation on this area. For those interested to stay overnight, just contact the Buntod personnel. And this is a man-made giraffe. So you can take an unlimited photos and videos. So after visiting at the Buntod, now it's time to go. So come and visit the Buntod. Thank you very much.
Kana.